sida bema mejifu nyame. Media sida bema mejifu nyame. Oh, media sida bema mejifu nyame. Media sida bema mejifu nyame. Oh no, no, nimi ko, no, nimi ba. No, nimi ba. Mini onyame nama misuro. Akwe nyinemo nyame jimi tata. Well, there was something about this man that when you came into contact with him, you wondered, because he left on you. I had the singular opportunity of meeting him when I came to work as Metropolitan Archbishop of Accra, May 2005. As part of courtesy call, we paid a visit to this patriarch. He welcomed me very warmly, and he gave me a firm promise that we will work together. When I left him, there was a lingering on bond that I could not put my finger on, nor could I understand, until somewhere, in spite of all the times that we had been at receptions, state functions, ambassadorial receptions, we had been at conferences and the rest, I had a singular occasion, somewhere 2016, December. We had just finished the elections, and the whole country was in a certain ferment. Well, I went to work in my office about the 16th of December. And I met at my office 4 tall, very well-cultured Muslims. And I asked, to what do I owe this visit? Come in. I ushered them into my office. They sat. I gave them a welcome. And one stood up to talk, and I said, please sit. He said, no, we are on a mission. The National Chief Imam has sent us to you. So I sat up. What is it? One of them stood up still and said, the National Chief Imam has been wondering about you, and he sent us to ask whether you were well, because for the past few months he had not met you at any reception. He had not encountered you at any of the meetings that we would have. And he had not seen you on the media. He wanted to know whether you are well. I took a deep breath because I shuddered. The National Chief Imam sent to me, Charles Malmabako, to ask whether I was well. And I remember standing up and showing them that I was very well. I said, please go and tell my father that I'm very well. And that if time would permit, I would like to call on him on Saturday. So I called Onyniah to ask if he could book an appointment for us to come and visit my father. He booked the appointment and he confirmed that Saturday would do. So I called my second in command. I called my secretary. I called one more of my priests and a lay person. And we went on Saturday with a little present. And when we entered and the old man saw me, the grand old man, he beamed with a smile. And then I understood what I meant to him and what it was. That was about this mystic of a personality that I had not been able to understand. Deep humility, deep sense of love, and a very personal sort of relationship. And that was the key that opened what I had always wondered about this man by name, His Eminence, Dr. Osmanu Sheikh Nuhu Sharubutu. Here was a man who shared. He shared a deep love for this, your country and my country. And he has contributed in humility and simplicity to bringing most of us together as religious leaders to cherish one another and to cherish our country. We have something to be proud of, and I think whenever I reflect on your country and my country, a song that he inspires me to is what I intend to leave as a little ode to his legacy. There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it is true, in the name of religion, people are dying. Oh, it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will make a difference. We're all part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we are making. We are saving our own lives. It is true. Make a better day, just you and me. It is true that if we take this legacy, we are already living a better day. And let's continue with that legend of Sheikh Nuhu Sharubutu. We are the world.